I have been working. I haven't been working. Have you been working? What does that mean? What am I talking about in here? I'm talking about present perfect continuous. Hello, welcome to today's English grammar video. In this video, we are going to focus on present perfect continuous. Now, what is actually present perfect continuous? This type of perfect tense focuses on explaining or describing situations and events that started happening sometime in the past and continue happening until now. How can we know that? Through the use of been with ing. If the sentence has been with ing, that means the meaning is related to something that is going on. Example, I have been working on the project since 3 days ago. Meaning, in this case, I am focusing on the time. Where is the time? 3 days ago. Shows that I have started working on the project from that time until now. In this case, it shows a connection between the days. But if I say, I have been working on the project for 3 days, this is also present perfect continuous. But what is the difference between since and for? The difference is about the timing, meaning that with the use of for, it shows that we are focusing on the duration. How long? For 3 days. It means you are focusing on 3 days, the number. But with the use of since, we are focusing on the starting point. The starting point 3 days ago until now. And if you need more details or more explanations about that, please let me know in the comments. So I will make another video focuses on for and since with more examples and activities. Alright, so just let me know if you need more details. So how can we use present perfect continuous in sentences? Like, what are the rules that we need to follow? The rules are very easy. You need to look at the subject. If the subject is singular, then you need to use has. Meaning that if the subject starts with he, she, or it, in this case you need to use has been with the verb in ing form and then the object or the rest of the sentence. But if the subject starts with I, we, you, or they, in this case you need to use have plus been with ing verb and then the object. It is really important to use been with the ing verb, like been going, been doing. One more thing that is really important to remember, which is the timing of the sentence. What do I mean by timing here? For how long the situation has been happening? For 1 day, or maybe since a few days ago, or maybe for 1 week, or since 7 days ago, like for how long? So it is really important for you to mention that. If you don't want to mention the timing, you can mention something like recently or lately. What does that mean? Something has just started happening or has just started taking place. So when we say, I have been working on the project recently, during my work lately. So with the use of these expressions, or shows that we are talking about something that has started taking place these days. Is everything okay until now? Like, have you got any questions? If you want to ask questions using present perfect continuous, how can we start with the question? 2 types of questions. Let's say you want to ask somebody and you are expecting a yes or no answers. In this case, the question should start with has or have. Has he been doing his work lately? Have they been studying for the exams? Has she been attending school meetings? So if you notice, all of them would have or has followed with the subject and then being with verb plus ing. So this is the thing that you need to follow if you want to make questions using yes or no. But if you want a detailed answer or maybe detailed information, in this case you need to start the question with WH. For example, he has been studying lately. If you want more detailed answers or more information about the sentence, like if you want to know the location or the place of studying, you can say, where has he been studying? That means you want to know the place of studying. Has he been studying maybe at home? The same thing if you want to ask about how you are working on a project, all right? And then someone comes and asks more details about the project. So they will say, when have you started working on the project? Maybe, which project have you started working on? Why have you started working on this project? For how long? Things like that. So so in this case, if you start the question with WH, that means you are expecting detailed answer from the listener. So this is how we can construct questions using yes or no or WH. Any questions until now? Like, is everything okay? If not, please let me know in the comments. The next video will be examples. So in this case, I wish you a happy day and make sure to subscribe so that you will not miss the next video. And take care of yourself. Bye bye.